What you doing?
Difficult for me. Did you make it difficult for me to get the
Of course.
sliced cheese?
Oh, yeah, it's buried.
Great.
That's our cheese bucket. Our fridge filled up a lot yesterday.
Yes, we did some actual shopping.
So it is day 16?
Yes.
Yes, day 16.
Yes.
This is going to be a short one.
Yeah.
We have been extremely busy this week
Yes.
with things that are boring on camera.
Yeah, that's true.
But you're making lunch.
I am. I'm making lunch. I'm a short order chef for lunch. Short order cook. Everybody's having something different.
Well, you're not cooking anything.
Right.
You're a short order food assembler.
Yes, I'm a short order food assembler. So Terra's having a peanut butter and jelly with red plum jam and creamy peanut butter.
Okay.
Brooke is having just peanut butter but crunchy.
Uh-huh.
Ben wanted a ham and cheese, and everybody's having community apples. I just cut them all up and put them in a bowl and they
Right.
can eat them.
Right, yeah.
So I am anticipating that Ben is just going to pull everything off of the sandwich and then eat
Just
it all
eat the meat.
separately.
Yeah, that's as long as it gets eaten.
Yeah.
We did finally receive a shipping label for
For a
the
waggle, yeah. So we're going to send that out today. That's what I'm going to do at the post office.
Yeah, and the winner. So, yep, we got the winner, Julianne Rigdon. We are going to be sending you that waggle. And we're going to put some stuff in it right now, actually. So this is our basket of goodies. I think I'll put one of those. I'll put one of those. Put one of those. That's my pen. These are goodies for Roadrunners. We've got magnets and keychains and fun stuff like that. But we'll put the non-Roadrunner stuff in there. We'll put one of each of these stickers and buttons in this box, and we will get that box out to you today.
I have some plans in the works to go and see more Christmas lights because you guys seem to like those. And we do too, which is why we just keep bringing you along. But Orlando has this big lake in the middle of the actual city of Orlando. It's Lake Eola, E-O-L-A. Lake Eola Park or whatever. And they do a whole walkthrough that you can walk around the lake in the park, and there's ornaments and stuff decorated, and they have this enormous tree, and it dances and moves to the music. So
Okay.
I wanted to go and see that. There's a couple other things that look kind of interesting too.
Okay. And then after tomorrow, we can't get to Disney again until the new year.
Right. Today I have Animal Kingdom
Yeah, so
because I want to go and see. Yeah, I'm going to take the kids, and we're going to go and see them because Brian works too late to go and see the Animal Kingdom lights because the Animal Kingdom closes early.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we have Magic Kingdom, so it'll be our last chance to see Magic Kingdom. So maybe we'll go. I'll take the kids late afternoon, and you can meet us after dark.
Oh, I could maybe do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
That'll be better for the dog, too.
right.
Can you put a plate of peanut butter down?
Oh, to dip? Sure.
Oh,
Do you want it crunchy
nice.
or creamy?
Ooh.
Creamy.
Maybe we'll do creamy because we have more creamy.
Yeah, we have a lot of creamy. So speaking of Animal Kingdom, I am bummed I'm going to miss it.
Yeah.
But they should have the decorations up in the new year, right? They
Yes.
go a little bit past New Year's.
I know Magic Kingdom does. I don't know if all of them do, though.
Okay, well,
So we'll have to see.
we did hear that they have decorations up in Pandora for the first time,
Yeah.
which is where the Avatar stuff is. That seemed really interesting. So, but we did see. We've been there, yeah. We saw the tree. I've seen all the normal stuff.
At Animal Kingdom?
Yeah.
They didn't have the dinosaurs all lit up when we were there last time.
Yeah.
We did go in November, but
The children have gotten into
oh
singing
my gosh, they
a lot
sing all the
lately.
time.
What are y'all singing?
I
I don't know.
What are you singing then?
It's not old standards.
No, it's not. It's new songs that I don't know who sings
Yeah.
them. You guys sing Heart Attack all the time, don't you? It's an old song.
Because I've read it a lot.
Because you've heard it a lot? Okay.
Heart Attack is an old song.
I don't know.
Oh, she's
They
still
like-
here.
Tara's still here.
She's still here. Wait, is she a robot?
Nope, she's not a robot.
Is she a robot? Still here?
Spider-Man No Way Home.
Oh, yeah, we're going in 2 days. We're going on Saturday. Yes, Tara's dying because people are going today, and people are going tomorrow.
They went on Tuesday.
There are people, well, yeah, so there's media people and influencers and all of that have gone earlier in the week. So Terra's dying. She's sitting there endlessly scrolling TikTok, trying to avoid spoilers.
Yeah.
But we are going Saturday at noon.
The other Spider-Mans
30.
better be in it.
Well, we'll find out.
Yes.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
We rewatched Spider-Man 1, 2, and 3 and Amazing Spider-Man 1 and 2.
Because Terra had never seen them.
Because
So.
Terra hadn't seen them, and there's
Bennett, please don't play music yet.
a good chance that those guys might be in the new one. So
Yeah.
we will all find out together on Saturday. I'm looking forward to it. Terra is a huge Marvel nerd.
Yeah.
And this last couple of years of very few Marvel movies coming out has been rough.
Yeah, it has.
Yes.
It's been very rough.
But the shows have been nice.
The show's been fabulous. Hawkeye last night.
Ooh, don't give me any spoilers.
Wow. What was that, episode 5?
Yeah, that was episode 5.
Wow.
Only 6.
There's only 6
which is sad.
episodes.
I know, but the beginning
Big
and
reveals.
the end.
Big reveals in the beginning and the end. Oh my gosh.
The beginning got me. With,
The end.
yeah, with the blip. Because we saw a blip thing again.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say who or why or the context, but
Right.
just like in WandaVision, we saw blip stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
With
Monica.
with Monica, and then we've seen other blip stuff now, but this one
That was
Wow.
really cool.
was crazy.
Yeah.
Speaking
Oh,
of
and Brooke's
crazy,
here.
nope. Yeah. so
And-
yeah, if you're not watching Hawkeye, do
You
it.
should be.
Do it.
And you should have watched Loki and WandaVision and
Yeah,
all the others
of
and What
course.
If and all
Of
of that.
course.
So, but if you're not Marvel people, why? Why aren't you?
Just watch them.
What are you doing?
What do you do with your life? What do you
What
do
do
with
you
your
watch?
free time? Yeah. What do you want for lunch? Do you want a sandwich or do you want a salad? Because I have stuff to make both.
Can I have both?
Well, I guess so. So Brian and I started counting calories.
No official diet, just
No,
watching.
just watching what we eat.
Just having knowledge of what we are eating
Actually
and the
putting in our
amount
faces.
of it.
Yes. So, Brian has a lot more calories that he's allowed than I am. So, when I put my stuff into MyFitnessPal, it told me I had like 1,300 calories that I could eat if I wanted to lose weight.
You're gonna have an apple and a glass of water.
Right. and so I got to the end of the day and I was like, I only have 300 calories left for dinner. And Brian was like, what? I still have like 1,400 calories. So I was like, okay, well, I guess you get more servings than I do. He had a plate of nachos for dinner last night. And I had
I
little
ate
tacos.
very few chips.
You
though.
did.
I mostly just ate the toppings with a fork because they were delicious. The
Yeah.
chips weren't bad. It was what, Claremont Brewing Company?
Yeah, the blue. So we went. So Brian and I like to eat out a lot. You guys know we take you along on a lot of these, and so just being aware of what we're eating is gonna help us lose weight because eating out like for 2 meals a day,
Yeah.
and just eating whatever you want is
Oh, and we did.
is the way to keep this figure.
Speaking
but-
of not eating out, not only does it cost a lot, but it costs a lot in calories too.
Yeah.
We did go to BJ's last night, so we have a whole bunch of chicken, a whole bunch of fish, veggies, tomatoes, stuff.
Yogurts,
Right. So
all
we've
kinds of
actually
stuff.
never really shown our fridge before. It's not great. I mean, there's Topo Chico, there's some diet sodas. Oh my lord, guys. Not Corona. You guys know that Corona's good. This stuff is our new
favorite.
favorite. Oh, how many calories is it? Oh, crap.
Don't tell me.
Oh, that's not good.
It's
Okay,
not good.
well, it is incredible. Super delicious. It's only at Whole Foods, and the only Whole Foods is like an hour from here.
Yeah, it's
Not
a
too
ways.
bad from the other campgrounds, but from TTO, it's not great.
Right.
But that stuff is amazing. So, yeah, I'll take a
You want a salad and a sandwich?
and a small salad, yeah.
Okay.
Because you'll probably put more stuff on your salad.
Yeah, I'll probably just have a salad. So.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye out for the next couple hours. See what I have time to get into this episode. This is going up same day.
Yeah, because we
So-
didn't film anything yesterday. Yesterday
Yep.
was a busy day.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Wednesdays are my day to like go into the. So a lot of people you've asked. My job right now, I don't teach anymore. I am a real estate agent here in Central Florida, and I'm just like getting started and doing all that kind of stuff. And so, on Wednesdays, my team we meet in the office for several hours just to make sure everybody's on track and doing what we need to be doing and get questions answered and that kind of stuff. So I went to work yesterday, like in the office for about a good amount of time. And so we didn't get to film yesterday because that took up a lot of my time. And then I ran some errands. And then by the time I got back, it was late and we needed to go out to the grocery store and didn't think y'all wanted to come to BJ's and Aldi with us. Maybe you do.
Yeah,
Let me know
so-
down below if you'd like to come with us to go grocery shopping.
So we'll get something up today, day
Yep.
16. Day 17, tomorrow, I have no idea. I have no promises.
It might be filmed by me tonight at Animal Kingdom.
Could
Who
be.
knows?
Could be.
What's
Yeah.
the 18th going to be then?
So that will be Saturday. So Saturday and Sunday is easier because we can do whatever we want.
Yeah, but we're going to a movie for like 4 hours in the middle of the day.
True, we're going to see Spider-Man. Then we have a holiday party.
Yeah, we do have a holiday party that's not ours.
You know what? I don't know.
We'll see.
So if the
We'll see.
tail end of Vlogmas is just much shorter, just hey, here's what's going on videos, then
That's what y'all get.
That's what
'cause
it's
we're
gonna
getting
have to be.
closer to the big
it's
day.
things
Oh,
just happen. There's lots
got
of
a phone
things.
call.
Oh,
Hold on.
okay. Sandwich was good.
Do you want more tomatoes in this, or do you want?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a few more.
I forgot. You got new glasses.
Yeah.
Should I try them on?
Yes.
Yes. So we had an issue. This is actually, we use Zenny for glasses.
Always.
We like Zenny a lot. We don't work with them officially at all. We just have been using them for many years, actually.
Since before Terra was born, so like
Yeah.
2008, 2007.
I think since they kind of appeared.
Yeah.
So we got some glasses after going to the optometrist a couple months ago? A month ago?
Not a month and a
6
half ago,
weeks
yeah.
or so? That's a loud bag.
Well, let me open it then. Ugh.
The little tear strip wasn't low enough.
No.
I hate that. Gotta cut it.
Dagnabbit.
So we got some from Zenny, and both of ours weren't right. Mine were blurry when I wasn't looking straight, and Aaron's were. You tried to go bifocal.
Yeah,
right?
the guy, the optometrist said I should probably start with bifocals.
Yeah.
Now that I'm 40.
But it was horrible.
Oh, it was awful. It was awful. And I typically just use my glasses like when I drive at night.
Yeah.
And it was terrible. So
we
sent
both returned our glasses, and there were no issues.
oh no,
Right.
the return
It
policy.
was-
It was the first time we've ever had to return them. And
Right. I'm sure if people do it a lot, they're like, eh. But yeah, first time we just mailed them back. They did a refund or the store credit,
like
right?
store credit, yeah.
And then, so we ordered some new ones. So I have not tried these on yet. Did you order? I don't even know if they are. Did you
They're
order
the same ones that we had, just the correct prescription now.
Okay. A couple
But
of
these are my
one
new
of the
ones.
numbers was
Let me
off.
do my new ones.
I like them.
Yay!
So Aaron has been. I don't know if you guys remember. If you've been around a while, there was a stretch there where I had some glasses that were like a blue frame. Oh, that smells good. Give me one of those.
Jeez.
Yum. There was a stretch there when I had like,
Turquoise frames, and they were beautiful.
and they had a thick rim,
Yes.
which I don't tend to go for. I've had this style of glasses for several years now. Aaron bought me some other ones last year. The ones without the nose pads.
Yeah.
They're still in the closet. They fit fine. The prescription's great. Everything's fine. But they don't have the nose pads.
Which I hate because they get stuck in my hair because I wear mine on my glass. You know what he's talking about, right? Like the
Yeah,
lack
so
of
hers
nose pads.
hers do not have nose pads.
Because they get stuck in my hair.
Yeah.
So
I
sunglasses and
don't.
stuff
I don't.
can't have that.
First of all, I don't do this, and second of all, I don't have hair for it to get stuck in.
Well,
So
my cross is to bear.
So the trick was we had to find some that Aaron liked the look of with the thicker frames that I was okay with, and they also had to have the nose pads because for whatever reason, ones without nose pads, like the ones Aaron has on her head right now, they just don't stay on my nose.
Well, they don't stay on anybody's nose, but mine, I take mine on and off throughout the day because
Right,
I
and
don't
I'm-
have to wear them.
And I'm blind as a bat if I don't have mine on. So if them constantly sliding down my nose, it's just that's a no go. So
Tomatoes smell so good.
yeah, they do. So let's try these glasses out.
Sorry, I keep going back and forth between salad and glasses. Squirrel.
Okay, so I'm going to try these glasses on. They have a thicker frame. Oh, and I got clip-ons. Yeah, so I don't think I can do this one-handed.
I'm
Ah,
coming home. I'm just getting dressed.
there are rubber bands flying everywhere.
Where'd you go?
Sorry, I dropped rubber bands. Okay. And then we got, a couple different clip-ons. I'm trying to go back with the clip-ons just because I like having sunglasses, but having to carry a full second set of prescription sunglasses, I didn't care for. So I'm going to try clip-ons and see if I can find like a skinnier glasses case that fits in my pocket better.
Yep.
Okay, so
He doesn't have Brian doesn't have dark eyebrows or dark eyelashes or anything like dark on his face. So I
I
like it when you have darker frames that are C.
You know what's gonna be weird?
What? Oh, you're gonna
I
see
can't.
yourself.
Yeah, so I can't see anything right now. Like,
Right.
Nothing is in focus until like here.
So you
right?
don't know what you look like without your glasses on.
Right. So obviously I don't wear my glasses to bed or in the shower or stuff like that. But if I have my glasses off, I have to get like that close to a mirror just to see myself. So editing this is going to be weird
Yeah.
because I'm like a distance away.
Yeah. You can
Okay,
like,
so,
see if you want to
New
get laser.
glasses. You ready?
Yeah. Go.
So before I put these on, we need comments. Are the new ones better, or are the old ones better?
Okay.
Okay, we need to vote.
Yes.
So all of y'all,
Everybody.
comment down below. Old
Old
or
glasses
new?
or new glasses?
These are the new ones. You ready?
Brian needs this validation, so please comment.
She's saying, please say new ones.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Put them on.
Oh, the prescription's much better.
Oh, you look so handsome.
Yeah, so now I can actually look around and
Yeah.
it's still sharp. Yeah, the other ones, I think it was the intraocular distance. They actually send a little
Thing
a
so
little
you can
measurement
measure.
device that you
So
hold
that
up to your
focus.
eyes and someone else reads it for you.
Yeah.
And it was off just a little bit. So when I would look off center, everything was crazy.
Oh,
blurry.
they look so good.
Okay, so Aaron likes them. I don't mind.
Agree with me
Yeah,
down in the
I
comments.
like these better than the other
Than
blue
the
ones
turquoise
because they were like plasticky looking.
Yeah, I know.
These are metal. These are
Yeah.
aluminum and nice and sharp. And
How do you hold this camera for so long?
I think that's what threw out my back the other day.
My arm is going to die from
It's
holding
only
this.
like 1.7 pounds or something.
Oh. But it's holding it here and still.
Yeah, holding it at
Oh
arm's
my
length.
gosh.
Yeah, I'll take over. So yeah, I like them. I like these better than the other ones for sure. I will wear these.
Okay. I think
And
we
they're
need
nice
bigger
and
bowls.
nice and crisp. You know, a new set of glasses. They're the same prescription as what I have on the other glasses, but they're like nice and clean. The other ones have a couple scrapes on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So comment down below, old or new.
Yeah. And if you want to see like what the old ones he's talking about are,
You're
the
gonna go back a
plasticky
ways.
ones, we introduced them when we were in Minnesota,
Mhm.
in Arlington, Minnesota, and it flooded, which is a really cute episode to watch anyway because the kids are in it
I'll
and
put
they
a link in the description down
like
below.
do all kinds of weird things, and it like flooded while we were there. It's
It is.
fun to watch. But Brian
fun.
put his new old glasses, the old new glasses, the glasses he wore for a while without the nose pads. If you're curious what those look like.
And then one day I was walking through Walmart and the arm disconnected and they just fell off my face. No, I'm not. I wore them for months.
Suspicious.
I wore them for months. I was
Okay.
totally fine with them. I
Show
like
my
these.
salad before I
These are
destroy
very
it.
comfortable. Oh,
So here's my salad. It has
it's too,
cherry tomato heirloom thingies, and it has sweet peppers in it, and butter lettuce, and then some cheese blend thingy.
Yep, and it's too big for the bowl. So
Yeah.
whoop. Now
So
it's
now
upside
it's
down.
just not as pretty.
Well, now flop it into that bowl.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just throwing. So
Look at
there
that.
it
There it
is.
is.
There it is.
Chefs, we are not.
Now.
Okay.
But now you can see it better. All the things that are in it.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's it for this video.
Yeah.
Because if I want it up today,
It's got to go up today.
it's got to go up like now.
Yeah.
Because we're in bad internet land, so it might take a while to upload.
Yeah. So if it's late today, this is why. You guys know.
Yeah.
So comment below which glasses do you like the best. Comment more if you want to see more Christmas lights, so then I'll know whether or not I'm filming on my own tonight.
Yeah.
Or just tell me. I know you guys have been saying you like this day in the life and just kind of seeing how we do things. So those are the easiest things for us to film for Vlogmas. But yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and commenting and subscribing and just loving us during Vlogmas. We appreciate it.
It's a lot of work. So
see you
thank
tomorrow.
you. Bye, guys.
Bye.